What very practical tip could you give to make sure tantric sex is possible?
Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Just have fun, enjoy yourself, slow down. Don't take yourself too serious. I think that's the most important thing. Especially during this process, we can take ourselves way too serious. So just have fun with it. Explore. Explore yourself, explore your partner. Just try out different things, what have you not done before, and do it in a slow motion. Just do it slow and fun. Just make it just light. Hygiene is very important. Make sure you can have fun and slow down and have, use all the stuff that we have given you, but make sure when you do these kind of practices and you have sexual partners, or if you're especially when you're single and you have lovers, just make sure that you practice safe sex, always. Even if people say to you, hey, but I'm clean and don't believe anything people say. Just stay safe. Lube, please use a lot of lube. That's so important. And anyway, your ass and your pussy, just use lube or coconut oil. Just lube yourself up with your whole body in coconut oil if you want to. Just have fun, but stay safe, for sure. If you're gonna, if you were gonna try out different partners, or you're gonna have like orgies or something like that, just make sure that use gloves. Just take care of the people you're with, so they can feel safe, and then you are safe also as a person to play with.